This is a movie about this bike saddle. There are many like it, but this movie is about this one in particular. This is a Brooks C15 cadmium saddle, which has been tirelessly, thanklessly, fulfilling its duties for the last 10,509.1 kilometers. No, I'm far from an exceptional cyclist. In fact, I probably fall squarely at the top of the bell curve. Not great, not bad, just average. Nevertheless, the C15 has been with me through all of it. The crashes, the rain, the snow, the hot, the cold, never asking for anything in return. Think about that. Those naturally woven organic cotton fibers are full of 10,509.1 kilometers worth of ass juice. The bike got some love. It got some custom bar caps. Simple words to glance at when your legs are burning, when your mind is telling you to stop, when you're too much of a fucking pussy to keep going. The C15 didn't get any love. The C15 and I traveled to Switzerland in 2016. It's 170 kilometers around Lake Geneva. The C15 never gave up, even when I wanted to. In a way, the C15 is like a rock on the side of the ocean, going with the ebbs and flows, but never faltering. When the monsters want to get in and melt your fucking brain, the C15 will always be there, waiting for the next ride. Finally, after all these years of neglect, I can show some appreciation to the C15, to give a little back. Astonishing. Go out and ride your fucking bike.